Magagaga tayo ng liempo. Liempo na isang slice lang po yan. Yung pang nila, anong tawag dito? Pang lechong kawali. Ayan. Lalagyan ko lang po nito at saka ng anong tawag doon? Repolyo.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when you love.
Yung isang slice lang po yan ng liempo na pang lechong kawali. Ayan. Ayan guys. Papalambutin lang natin yan. Ayan nyo guys, bilang na bilang. Bilang na bilang yung slice. Kasi pag hindi namin nauubos guys, nalagay na sa rep, tamad na silang kumain, ayaw na nila ng tira. Kaya kailangan pag nagluto isang lutuan lang yung kayang maubos. Mag-wise tayo, walang mabili. Lagyan ko para siya ng buwan. Lumabas ako, bumili ako. Guys, traso. 90 pesos. Ito guys, ang aming malagang liempo. Ang gulay po nito, patatas, mais, sitaw at repolyo. Ayan po, luto na naman ang aking isang ulam. Ito po yung isa guys, sinigang. Naluto na masyado yung kangkong niya.
If you found the one, you should never give her up.
Ito sinigang na
I think it's the way life changes when in love. Yeah, I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah, these days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah.